In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image in a PDF in iLove PDF. First, let's start by opening iLove PDF. You can do this by going to your web browser and typing in the URL. Once you reach the iLove PDF homepage, you'll be greeted with a clean and user-friendly interface. This makes it easy for you to navigate through the various tools available. You will notice options for different PDF tasks right at the center of the page. This is important because knowing where everything is helps you save time and minimizes frustration as you work. Next, select Edit PDF. To do this, look for the Edit PDF option among the tools. This is usually prominently displayed. Simply click on it. This action takes you to a new page specifically designed for editing your PDF documents. It is essential to choose the right tool to ensure you have access to all the features you need. You will see a clear call to action that prompts you to upload your PDF file. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for all the edits you'll be making. Now, upload your PDF file. Click on the designated area to upload your document. A file dialog will open, allowing you to select the PDF you want to edit. Navigate through your folders and choose the file you need. Once you select it, the upload process will begin. It's reassuring to know that iLove PDF supports various PDF sizes and types, making it adaptable for your needs. After the upload is complete, click the Add Image icon in the toolbar. You will find this icon typically located at the top of the editing interface. This icon is often represented by a picture symbol, and clicking it will open up more options for image selection. This step is significant because it allows you to import images directly into your PDF document, enhancing its visual appeal. Next, choose the image from your computer. A file dialog will appear once you click the Add Image icon, prompting you to locate the image file you wish to insert. Browse through your files and select the image. This is vital because the right image can make your PDF more engaging and informative for your audience. Once you have made your selection, click Open to proceed. Now click and drag the image to place it where you want. Upon inserting the image, your cursor will change, allowing you to position the image precisely within the PDF. This drag and drop feature is user-friendly and intuitive. It gives you creative control over the layout of your document, making it visually appealing. You can easily adjust the placement to ensure it fits well with the surrounding text and graphics. From here, resize the image by dragging the corners. You will notice small squares at the corners of the image. Click and hold these squares to adjust the size as needed. This flexibility is important because it helps you fit the image perfectly without distorting it. You can make it larger or smaller based on your design needs. Next, adjust the position, rotation, or transparency if needed. You can click on the image to find options for these adjustments. For rotation, look for a circular arrow icon. Transparency can often be adjusted in the Properties panel. This step matters because fine-tuning these elements can greatly enhance the overall look of your PDF. Finally, click Edit PDF to apply the changes. This step confirms all the modifications you've made. It ensures that everything is saved correctly. You will see a confirmation message indicating that the changes are now part of your PDF. Lastly, download your edited PDF. Look for the download button, usually located at the top right corner. Click it, and your edited PDF will start downloading to your computer. This is the final step that allows you to share or print the updated document. By following these steps, you have successfully added an image to your PDF using iLove PDF. Happy editing!